energy.
Welcome to my kitchen, everybody. Get in here. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Kool Aid Pineapple Spears, this TikTok viral trend that is trending. Y'all, these things are actually very tasty. But anyway, let's get into the video. Welcome. Pineapple Kool Aid Challenge, y'all. Let's get started. We're going to pour some pineapple juice into my coffee pot. Yep, right into my coffee pot. Y'all don't laugh. Don't judge me, okay? It is what it is. You got to do what you got to do. We are using Dole pineapple juice. For the pineapple spears I'm using, I found these at Sam's Club. Our Kool Aid flavors will be strawberry, tropical punch, and blue raspberry lemonade. Now I'm going to drain the pineapple juice into my measuring cup. This will let me know how much of the other pineapple juice, the Dole pineapple juice, I need to use in the other two jars. In case you don't know, my pineapple spears are already sweet. They are very sweet. Therefore, I will not be adding all of that extra sugar to my Kool Aid. We have 2 additional mason jars to be used. The pineapple spears will now be separated 2.5 in each mason jar, and the Sam's jar will have 3 pineapple spears. Just a quick look at what the jars are looking like with the pineapples. 2.5 in the Mason and 3 in our Sam's Club. I have fewer pineapples in my jars, if that's going to make a difference. I certainly hope not. Pineapple juice over here, this is approximately 2 cups. Let's go ahead and first, let's do the strawberry pack. So we're going to add 1 pack of strawberry. Let's give it a mix. 1/4 cup here. That's all I'm going to add. I am not doing all of that sugar. Okay, and we're going to pour this right into the first one. Pour 2 cups of pineapple juice right in here. One's going to be tropical punch, opal punch. Give her a stir. Y'all grow up drinking Kool Aid? Yes, kids. All that sugar, now that you think about it, no wonder. All right, let's pour this one in. Okay, we're going to pour in another 2 cups. And this time we got the blue raspberry lemonade. Now we're going in with that blue raspberry lemonade. Look at that color, y'all. Look at that color. Okay, we're going to pour that one right here. Here's another look. Let's take a closer look at the pineapples. That's the blue raspberry, strawberry. And then this is what the inside looks like. Inside, outside. There you have it. Go watch this video to see Mom and I taste test. Thank you so much for watching.